Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Jeeping with Jeremy. This week my little buddy Four heard I got some new parts in, so he decided to come by again and check them out. What'd you come over for, Four?
He bought some new speakers for his Wrangler.
That's right, we got some new speakers for the Wrangler. So in the Gladiator, about a year and a half ago, we put the JLJT pods with the kicker speakers from Extreme Terrain in that, and it sounded amazing. When I bought the new Wrangler, I decided, don't take out the Alpine factory thing just yet. But after many trips going down the road, it's just not loud enough, and everybody knows if you got a Jeep, it's loud when you're driving in your Jeep. So I decided to go ahead and upgrade this one too, and make the sound in the Wrangler match the sound in the Gladiator. So when you order from Extreme Terrain, they give you the pods, they send you these speakers right here. One thing that I want to tell you guys that I've already done is in the dash, Kicker makes these DSC 350s. So these DSC 350s are a direct install fit in the dash. So I've already got those in there. Today, Mr. Ford is going to help me install the speakers in the sound bar, and we should be sounding pretty good. Is there anything else you want to say, Mr. Ford?
No, sir.
No? Okay. All right, let's get at it, guys. All right, guys, one of the first things you want to do is you want to grab a T30 Torx screwdriver and remove the factory T30 Torx bits, or Torx screws, out of the sound bar itself. Very simple. All you're removing is the actual cover itself to start with. It's supposed to be simple, but this last one is being a pain. There we go. All right, that's it. All right, guys, next thing we're going to do is we're going to remove the, now that we got speaker off, we're going to remove the speakers themselves. So my Wrangler has the Alpine factory speaker system. So on this, I can't speak to others, but you've got a cone right here. Use the same T30 to remove 4 speakers for the cone. Alright, so we're just going to pop this cone piece out. Alright, because we're not going to reuse it. So we can go ahead and drop these little 4 screws down in a cone hole. And then, I can't tell you what this is, but I'm going to use this little star head wrench that I got right here. We're going to remove the Alpine factory speakers. You got 2 speakers with this system. There's one here that we're going to take out. And we're going to take out one here. Looks like there's 2, Mr. Ford. What do you think?
Yeah, sir.
All right, Mr. Ford says he thinks there's 2 too, so. And sure enough, there's 2. So, as you see, we got a little clip in here, and all we're gonna do is just, hopefully, unclip these things. Oh yeah, you gotta press a little button down to release, and there they are. So there's one speaker out. Now we're gonna get the bigger one. Alright, here's the other one out. So if you see right here, you got to press this in. You got a little thing right here, press in. So we're going to press that in, and we're just going to release it. Just that simple. Okay, go ahead. As you guys can see, this is so simple that my 8-year-old buddy, Mr. Four here, he's assisting me taking out the bolts, or I'm sorry, the screws. And even an 8-year-old can do it. Tell him, Four. Give him a thumbs up. There you go.
So the next thing you want to do, guys, is put this tweeter in the tweeter hole.
All right, see that? You got a tweeter that comes with the kit that goes in the supplied hole. Thanks, Ford. All right, next, you're supplied with these two short cables right here. That's going to be a direct plug fit in into the factory wiring. But first, what you got to do is you got to crimp both these two together. So you're going to have to cut the ends off of this, and you got to cut the ends off of the tweeter, and then crimp them together, which we're going to do right now. And we'll be back right after we do that. All right, so we've already put one in, but I'll go ahead and show you guys here. So with the supplied cover that they give you, you mount your kicker tweeter right here, and it basically just screws in the back. And then, like I said, you got to crimp these two wires together. But then you got your other kicker speaker here that you've got supplied screws with. It comes with the speakers themselves. So what you're going to do is you're just going to put it on here, screw your speaker down through the pod, put your 4 screws right here, bam, 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 and now you're ready to go. So the only thing we got left to do right now is just take this other one inside, plug up these 2 plugs, put them aside, and we'll be ready to go. All right, once you get inside, you're gonna connect your tweeter to the factory tweeter connection here, and then you're gonna hook up your other one here. All right, plug and play at this point. So we're gonna line up our holes right here. Maybe. We got this thing in the way. All right. So all right. Last thing you're gonna do once you got it up in here is you got these 4 Allen head screws. We've already put 2 here and 1 here. We're gonna go ahead and put our last one in right here, and these line up with the same factory holes that your Alpine speakers from the factory came with, or are supposed to. Alright, so we're putting the last screw in here, and then we should be done. That should be it. Alright, that's it, guys.
Hi.
Tag my name all over the place, I don't care anymore.
Alright guys, we just finished up putting the kicker speakers, the JLJT pods from Extreme Terrain and the Wrangler. Sounds amazing, doesn't it?
Yes, sir.
This is easy that an 8-year-old can actually help you do it. So if you got kids out there at home, have your nephews, have your children, your son, your daughter, whatever, come out and help you and spend a day with the little ones and teach them something good in life. All right? So did you have fun today?
Sure did.
All right, man. Till our next one.
Thanks for watching another Jeeping with Jeremy video. And remember, you're not Jeeping if you're not Jeeping with Jeremy.